Alright, so we are back for another unpacking, guys. Actually, I just done an unpacking maybe last week, but actually a lot of items arrived in the studio, so I would like to show you guys what arrived, and a lot of interesting ones as well. So some items that I promised to check before are already here, and yeah, much like our other videos, I would like to hear from you guys what you like me to check out here in this channel. So we actually have some tin hi-fi, some blondes as well, some KZs, moondrops, of the world tangems as well. So really interesting round here. So this will be on top of the round that we had previously. So actually the previous items cannot fit in this table anymore. So we have quite a lot of reviews incoming for this channel, so that's really exciting. So actually let's start out with this first, because I actually opened it already, but this is the T3 Plus. I'm actually listening to this right now, and I will do a review of this soon. And this is from Tin Hi-Fi, around $70 here. And what's really interesting here is this is a single dynamic driver and a different design compared to your previous Tin Hi-Fis and the T3 before as well. And the T3 in our channel is one of our top 5s, one of our channel favorites, and was part of our earphone awards. I don't like to spoil it, but yeah, we will have a review of this coming soon. So next we have this is a new KZ, and this is the ZEX Pro. So it's a tribrid version of your ZEX, and yeah, different driver configuration. This might offer us a different sound to the ear for sure, and I'm hoping that the mids will be better here compared to what we had with the previous ZEX. So that was my issue with the ZEX before, and yeah, really interesting because this is an electrostat based hybrid, and that's really welcome for the under $30 price range that this is in. So one of the cheaper ones that we have seen with that kind of driver, and yeah, different design as well. So this kind of looks like maybe the DQ6-ish, so a bit different compared to the ZEX, the one that we just unboxed. So really interesting on this as well. All right, next we have this big guy in the room, and this is actually a KZ headphone, guys. So no packaging here, so this is not the final packaging that you are gonna get. So really interesting here because this is the first time that we're checking out a wireless headphone from KZ. So headphones, I do like my headphones here in the channel, and it's quite welcome that an IM creator also has a headphone, and this might offer us a different tuning to the ear compared to what we have usually with our other headphones here in this channel. So I'm actually gonna link the prices here at the top. I actually am not sure yet of the final price of this, so if there's a final price in the channel, you will see it up here. But really interesting on this. So it's gonna be quite interesting to see how KZ tunes a headphone, because in their IMs we already know that it's more in the musical side. We're getting some treble on top. For headphones, are they gonna do it still, or are they gonna change up their tunings? Next we have some tangems here. Actually, this is the first tangem here in this channel. This is the Tangem Echo, and this is a TWS, and you're getting that pretty sleek design here, for a Chi-Fi. You're getting this kind of tuning and dynamic driver here as well. And yeah, here in the channel, actually I see the Tangem is really good in the sort of feedback from the community, much like Moondrops. So that's really interesting that we might be seeing good sound quality here for a TWS, and that's really gonna be interesting. So next we have the Halo GT7 and also the next one as well. So both Halos, and yeah, I covered a lot of Halos here in the channel. And they actually have a new packaging here with the GT7, and you're getting that stem design as well. Compared to other Halos, this is the only white version that I have here in this channel, so they're kind of maybe changing up their design here. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure of the tuning of this, but I did check out the GT6, and yeah, for the price range that it is in, it's definitely competitive, really cool for the price. And yeah, this is going to be interesting as well. So ANC for the X1, and this is going to be your usual dynamic driver. Yeah, I'm gonna link the prices up here, but this is more in the budget side of things, and that's really interesting for me. Next one would be this one. This is one of the most requested here in the channel. Really excited about this because you guys know I love my Starfields. It is our channel favorite, and this is the Moondrop Kato. So this is more expensive compared to the Starfields, and if this is an upgraded version of the Starfields, this might just have a seat in maybe the channel favorite, even if this is more expensive, because actually we're moving up to around $100 to $200 range for this year. And if this is better compared to the Starfields, this might have just that seat, and that's really interesting. So I will have more time with the Kato for sure compared to other IMs, because I like to spend my time on this, maybe compare it to other Moondrops, my favorites here in the channel. So we're gonna find out if that is the case. And next we have our blondes, and this is actually the Blonde Max. So actually I've seen some photos of this, and it's definitely inspired from some device which I think you guys know. But you know, having blondes in the channel is always interesting for me, especially in the budget range, because we're always looking forward to maybe the next blonde 03. And if this is, you know, anywhere close to that, this might be an interesting thing for us to consider. But next is this one, the WGZ blonde, and this is the first blonde that we're checking out. That is a headphone again. You're getting that Mies-ish design on top here with that band. So we haven't checked out a headphone from blonde, so are we getting, you know, really substantial low end on these? That will be really interesting. Again, compared to you know, other headphones that I have, we're gonna probably compare this to maybe some Audio Technicas, maybe also the Mies as well, because you're getting that maybe similarities in the designs. We're gonna compare this to other headphones that we have, but again, this in the budget range, and first time that we're checking out a blonde. I'm actually expecting maybe similarities to the tuning of the Mies. And actually the last one is we actually have a different product in the channel. This is actually a 60% mechanical keyboard, and you guys know, if you have been in the channel for some time, that I do like my keyboards as well. Yeah, this is really interesting because this is in the budget side of 60% keyboards, and I actually don't have that much budget keyboards yet here in the channel, so it would be interesting to check out how this, you know, fares compared to my more expensive boards. So most boards that I have for the 60% is maybe $100 plus $200. So this is under $100, around $50 $60. So for that price range, having a 60% board is really interesting. So might be checking that one out if this is worth the money and stuff. So we're gonna see an unboxing of keyboard as well here in this channel. So for sure, this will be the first one that we're gonna cover because I actually already unboxed it. I just want to show you guys, but let me know what you guys want me to check out and what information you like to you know about some products here, and what you like me to compare it with. So I'm always open to hear from you guys what's the more interesting ones, and I, you know, base my decision making on what to pick first from that. So that's actually our unpacking for today. We will have a, you know, quite a busy December. We will have some products that will still arrive in the channel, but yeah, I would need to cover a lot of IMs in a short span amount of time, and especially for the earphone awards, I would like to, you know, finish everything, listen to everything before I do the earphone awards. That's my goal. I want to finish the earphone awards in a good timing, but we're gonna have other IMs that will arrive in the channel as well, so I might not be able to do an unpacking of that anymore. You will just see them in the channel, so more surprises here in the channel. But yeah, that's actually our video for today. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.